If you're having problem with fixing Duolingo cannot log in problem, today's video I'm going to show you some ways you can fix your problem. So first thing first, make sure that your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store or App Store. At times when your application is not updated, it will show you various errors. So at the search bar, type in Duolingo and make sure that you see open instead of update. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. For the next step, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below until you see the button of apps. Tap onto apps. Then here also you have to search for Duolingo. So type in Duolingo and then search. Wait for this to load. Once you see a Duolingo application here, you have to open it. So open Duolingo. Scroll below, then tap on storage. Clear the cache. If you remember your credentials like your username and password of Duolingo, which is probably your Google account, you may also go ahead and tap on clear data. If not, you can skip this process, come back here, tap force stop, then OK. Now restart your device, launch a Duolingo app, get logged into your account, and this shall work.